Okay, how we doing today, people? This is Rick Falls from FirstPageLocal.com, and today we're going to go over a couple of brief things. As you know, in order to do a lot of the cool things you can do on the internet, it's best if you have a Gmail account. So hopefully we've done that at this point, and today we're going to do something different. But let's go jump over to our Gmail account, and it's going to ask you to sign in. But actually, you know what? While we're on Google, let's do this first, because this is where we're going to go today. We're going to actually open up, see this little grid up at the top over here. If you click on that, you've got a bunch of different things that you can do with Google, which is, again, why you're going to set up a Gmail account. It's very cool because one account, all of Google. So when you click on that, you get this little grid, and what I want you to click on is Drive. Okay, so we click on Drive. Actually, you know what I want to do? I'm going to open it a different way. Let's go back here. Click on this again. Excuse me. Just bear with me there. Okay, we're going to click on Drive. I'm going to right-click on Drive, and then it's going to let me open link in new tab. So now we've got Google, Meet Google Drive, and Gmail. Now, if you notice, when we clicked on that to open our Google Drive, we can't get in there yet because now we have to log in with our, hopefully, previously set up Gmail email account. So, I'm going to sign into my account and show you what Drive looks like. Okay? So that's what you're going to have to do too. That step we just did is you signing into your Gmail account. Now, what we're going to do today is we're just going to learn really quickly how to set up a document inside of Google Drive. So you just take your mouse, you left click on New, and you scroll down. A lot of times we'll do a new folder. And in fact, we could probably do that today. Yeah, let's do a new folder today. We're going to call this How to Create Documents and Stuff in Google. Okay, so we have a folder now. So that's folder. Now, we're going to actually go again. We're going to open that up. There's nothing in there. And we're going to say New Google Doc. So we click on New Google Doc. We basically have a blank page. Okay, so let's name this as well. How to create a Google Doc. Create, yeah. Oh, the other thing too, if you misspell, this is kind of cool. If you right click on your misspelling, when it highlights it red, it'll actually fix it for you or give you an opportunity to fix that. How to create a Google Doc in your Google Drive account. Okay, now, once we've done that, look at this. This is really kind of cool. We don't have a title for the document yet, right? So let's go click on that once we've got our first line in our document, and voila, we actually have a title to our page now. So, how to create a Google Doc in your Google Drive account. And it starts with, start on Google. Okay, let's go back and look at that real quick. Start on Google. What did we do? We left-clicked on the little grid, right? Click on grid. All right, what do we do next? We right-clicked on Drive, right? Oops. Right-click on Drive. We'll go back again. Once we right-clicked on Drive, we clicked on Open Link in New Tab, which opened our Drive in a new tab, right? Open New Tab. So we right-click on Drive, click on Open Link in New Tab, right? All right, so we did that. So that's how far we got so far. When we were in Drive, what did we do in Drive? Remember? I'm going to back up so we can look at what we did. It actually opened with all of my Google documents, but basically what we did in Drive is we went to New. So I'll do that again. New, upper left. Oh boy. Upper left side, let's say. Right, so we clicked on that, and once New popped up, scroll down to new folder. So I'm just going to say open new folder or open new doc. Oops. Open new folder and name it, or open new doc. Okay, so we've done that, right? We clicked on this, we opened a new folder, and we opened a new doc. All right, now Google Sheets, Google Slides, we'll talk about more. There's actually a lot more stuff that you can do. As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff. This is why you need to have a Gmail account, because you got a bunch of stuff that you can do inside here. Okay, so we've opened a Google Doc. We are in that Google Doc now. Okay, and we've created this doc so that we can do all kinds of stuff. We can take notes on our projects. We can do a sort of a project management. We can maybe make a to-do list kind of a thing, something along those lines. Now, the cool thing about this is that once we're done, we can actually share this doc with pretty much anybody we want to. And the way you share it is you come over here. Actually, let's put that in our instructions as well. I'm just going to say share the Google Doc. Oops, boy, look at that. See this? Oh, let's do that again, the correction. Share. See, it says share. So if I right click on it when it's red that I misspelled it, it'll give me the correct spelling and some options. Share the Google Doc with others. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. We're going to walk through how you share. So to share, you just click on share, and you get a shareable link. Okay, I'm actually going to save that link for right now. All right, so get shareable link. Get shareable link. See, again, I screwed up their get word there, so we got basically the fix it here. Get shareable link by clicking on share in upper right corner. Then cut, or copy and paste actually. Copy and paste link. To wherever you want to share it. Okay? I'm going to actually tab that down. Then copy and paste the link to wherever you want to share it. Now I'm going to do that. I'm going to share that link with someone else when I get done making this little video. But this is basically how to create a Google Doc in your Drive account. Now what's cool about this is just like Word, okay? I used to use Microsoft Word, and basically you got all your font sizes, stuff like this. You can make that bigger because it's the heading. You can make it bold. You can put colors in. Like, for example, when I share documents with people, I'll say to them, look, you can put your feedback on this. In other words, I'll give them editing permission. Okay, I'm in editing because I created the doc. But once I get that document shared with them, they can actually jump in there and do some editing of their own. And they might put an answer or something or a question next to a tab that I've got here. They might say, right click on Drive. What do you mean? And it could be in a different color. So let's say someone wanted to answer inside of a document. They could say, you know, just what? Which is what most people say. So let's say I was sharing this with someone. They would basically put the what in there, and then they could come over here to the text and change it to, let's say, blue. Okay, so that way I would know that who I was sharing with is blue font, so I would know when I go back in to look at that doc again that they've got a question and it shows up in blue. Is that cool? Okay, I'm going to get that out of there because that's not really crucial to what we're doing today. So that's how you make a Google Doc. I'm going to share this with someone else now, and I hope that a lot of you will get to share it over time and learn how to do it, and maybe we can even learn more about what to do inside of Google with our next meeting. Until then, I'll talk to you later. Take care.